So Reef Check Australia is an environmental charity that's dedicated to protecting our reefs and oceans. And we do that by empowering people to get in amongst the water or beach cleanups, etc., get their hands dirty and lend a hand. So Moreton Bay is actually a hope spot. It was listed several years ago. And that's because it is a really important mixing ground of corals that are really close to a major hub of people, which is actually quite uncommon. The Peel Island Reef Restoration project is the first of its kind. It's really important to understand how the reef structures are actually able to recover, and if they're not, how can we actually help them? And that's where this reef restoration project comes in.
Reef spotters are a form of artificial reef, and they sit down onto the sediment to give them a chance to grow, give them a chance to get to maturity.
Moreton Bay used to have a lot of beautiful coral reefs. We've lost most of those.
Since there's been urbanization, runoff, we've had big floods. We really need projects like this in order to help to bring back and maintain the biodiversity of the bay.
This is likely to be a real refuge for corals in the future. That means we need to find ways to support corals to be able to survive here, because as the waters up north get warmer and warmer, corals are moving further south, and they need somewhere to live.
We received the Community Giving Fund grant from Brisbane Airport.
All the people around you are volunteering. I'm volunteering here today. These sorts of grants helps us pay for the logistics, are essential. We couldn't do these sorts of projects without it.